Welcome to my channel. Today we learn 10 lines on Nightingale in English. So let's start. 1. Nightingale is a small bird. 2. It is also known as songstress. 3. It has a brown body, a reddish tail, and a cream-colored belly and chest. 4. Nightingale eats grains, fruits, seeds, and insects. 5. Nightingales use their slender bills to eat insects and worms. 6. The nightingale is almost 6.5 inches long. 7. It is a migratory bird. 8. It is a singing bird. 9. They sing at night as well as during the day. 10. The nightingale's song is most often heard during spring and early summer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.